Hello, my name is Roald den Adel, sales manager at Ovotrack, and Ovotrack is an integrated information system for the egg grading and egg processing industry. Today we are at Gnase Frisei, and we will dive into the egg grading solutions of Ovotrack. Ovotrack is a modular solution, so we will walk through the different solutions today, step by step. But also we will pay attention to the integration, the Ovotrack integration with the Sanovo Grader Pro. So first thing we will talk about is the database and on the server. Ovotrack comes with a database which we install on the server of the customer, and that's basically the heart of the system. All data is stored in the database, like suppliers, sheds, product types, egg types, packaging materials. Everything is stored in that database, and we will use that in all processes in Ovotrack. To start tracking the eggs from the farm to the packing center, we use Ovotrack farm label printing. Ovotrack farm label printing comes with a label printer and Ovotrack software installed on an existing PC in the office of the customer. And in the office you can print farm labels, unique farm labels for each supplier, each shed, and you will ship rolls of these labels to each supplier. When the farmer is preparing the eggs, he will put one farm label on each shipping unit, can be a pallet or a trolley, and he will write down some additional information like date of lay or quantity of eggs or other custom information that the grading or packing center wants to know. That label comes with the eggs to the grading center. When eggs are arriving in the grading center, all shipping units are coming with a unique farm label. The farm label needs to be scanned when entering the grading center, and all additional information can be entered in Ovotrack. When we have scanned the label, Ovotrack automatically knows where the egg is coming from. So which farm, which shed, which flock is in that shed, and we will increase the stock of your warehouse. So now we have received ungraded eggs, but next to ungraded eggs you can also receive packaging material with the help of Ovotrack. When you are receiving packaging materials, you can easily scan the barcode of the supplier label of the packaging material, and Ovotrack recognizes the type of packaging, the supplier, and will make a purchase order for the packaging. You can add additional information based on customer requirements, and add that to the purchase order of the packaging material. After registering, we build a stock overview of all your packaging materials. So we have an overview of all ungraded eggs in stock, but before starting grading the ungraded eggs, you want to send the information of that pallet to the grading machine. Therefore we are using Ovotrack loader software. Ovotrack loader software comes with an Ovotrack computer which is connected to the grading machine and a wireless scanner to be able to scan the farm label to the grading machine. When you are scanning the farm label, Ovotrack sends that information directly to the grading machine, or if you have a big loader or conveyor or using a depalletizer, you can also make use of an RFID tag, just to be able to that you don't need to create gaps between all different batches, and that you can run in the highest capacity possible. So the RFID egg is connected to the farm label and goes onto the first tray of the new batch. When the RFID tag is being read at the position of the correct batch change, Ovotrack will send the new active batch to the grading machine, and the grading machine will close down the previous batch and send back the grading results of the previous batch. So eggs are being graded with the help of the grading machine. We have sent them to the loader, they are running on the grader, and they are coming out at the packing lanes. At the end of the packing lanes, you want to be able to put a label on your product. Therefore, we are using Ovotrack end of lane. Ovotrack end of lane comes with an Ovotrack PC and a button box and a label printer for each pair of packing lanes. We can set up Ovotrack end of lane in various ways. It just depends on the specific way of working in your process. There are three options. One is you can just tell in Ovotrack which product you want to run on which packing lane, and we will provide the correct product label at the packing lane. You can also assign production batches or production orders in Ovotrack or sales orders. Sales orders can be entered manually into Ovotrack, or we can get them automatically with the help of an interface with your ERP system or order system. The sales order will be available in Ovotrack, and we will be able to send it to the grader. When the order is in the grader, you can assign the specific order to a specific packing lane or multiple packing lanes. And the grader will inform Ovotrack which packing lane is running which order. At that moment, Ovotrack will provide the correct product label to that packing lane, and every time the operator presses the button of his packing lane, we print a label, and all data on that label is the most recent data of the product that is running on that packing lane. So we get, for example, from Sonovo the product ID, date of lay, supplier, shed, all information that we gave to Sonovo at the loader. We get it back here at the packing lane, and we will add it to the unique product label. The grading machine is able to give Ovotrack information about every small pack of eggs. For every finished egg pack, the grading machine will inform Ovotrack about the pack ID, supplier, date of lay, and we can add that information to each pack with, for example, help of QR code printing for each pack. When you have added this information to the packaging, we know exactly which egg came from which supplier. Doesn't matter if there's just one egg from supplier A and the rest is from supplier B. We know how many eggs are from which supplier in each pack. If you have a unique QR code on each pack, that's the ultimate traceability. Then we can follow the information of the egg up until the customer. So when the operator is packing finished products at the end of the packing lanes, the operator just needs to, of course, fill the boxes with eggs and press the button of his specific packing lane. Then Ovotrack will provide a product label, and the operator needs to put it onto the finished product. After printing each label, Ovotrack will create a stock of finished products. So you can print manually finished product labels and put it onto your finished product, but if you don't have a manual process, but you have, for example, a conveyor that automatically goes to an automatic printer, we can also direct print with the help of a print and apply system. Which means you don't need the operator to put the label manually onto the case. After putting finished product labels on every finished product, we can also group all cases into a pallet label. That pallet label consists of all information of all different products on that specific pallet. Because of all finished products are being labeled at the end of the packing lanes, we know exactly how many finished products you have in your finished product warehouse. These products are waiting for their destination, waiting to be picked up by the truck. If they are already connected to a sales order, you can scan them out to know the exact time of leaving the grading plant. If they are not connected to a sales order yet, you can print out a sales order pick list and scan the products to that pick list. And in Ovotrack, we connect the product to the pick list and we can create a bill of lading for transportation. Next to the bill of lading, we can also provide your ERP system with the help of an interface with all information regarding the shipment, which will help with things like invoicing. So this was the walkthrough through the most common software modules of Ovotrack for the egg grading industry. If you want to know more about the modules that we have discussed today, please contact us. If you want to know more about how Ovotrack can specifically be used in your process, please contact us and we will help you out. We will explain how we can help you. Thanks for watching.